Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have HONOR Magic8 Pro. In this video, let's try fixing Google Pay and NFC issues on this device. So let's open settings and you want to select section More Connections. From here, tap NFC and please make sure that NFC, of course, is on. And now if you go to section Default Wallet app, you want to here select Google Wallet. After fixing this, you want to restart your phone, of course, so that your NFC data was updated. So that is basically it, and I really hope that this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.